Are you looking for natural ways to boost brain power, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being? Today, we're diving deep into two powerful Ayurvedic herbs, Bacopa and Ashwagandha. Stay tuned to learn their incredible benefits, how to use them, and who should avoid them. In today's fast-paced world, mental fatigue, stress, and memory decline are common struggles. But nature has provided us with two incredible herbs, Bacopa Monnieri, the ultimate brain booster, and Ashwagandha, the king of stress relief. These herbs have been used in Ayurveda for centuries, and now modern science is backing their powerful benefits. Bacopa Monnieri, also known as Brahmi, is a small, creeping herb used in Ayurveda for over 3,000 years. It's best known for its ability to sharpen memory, enhance learning, and protect the brain from aging. Bacopa Monnieri offers a range of benefits. It boosts memory and learning, protects brain cells, reduces anxiety and depression, and improves focus and attention. Scientific studies confirm that Bacopa reduces stress hormones, boosts cognitive performance, and may even help protect against Alzheimer's disease. Ashwagandha, also known as Indian ginseng, is an adaptogenic herb famous for reducing stress, improving energy levels, and balancing hormones. Top benefits of ashwagandha include reducing cortisol, which is the stress hormone, boosting energy and stamina, improving sleep quality, supporting thyroid and hormonal balance, and enhancing immunity. Research shows that ashwagandha lowers stress hormones by up to 30%, making it one of the most powerful natural remedies for anxiety and burnout. For best results, Bacopa is taken in the morning for cognitive support, while ashwagandha is best taken at night for relaxation. For best results, Bacopa is taken in the morning for cognitive support, while ashwagandha is best taken at night for relaxation. While these herbs are generally safe, here are some important precautions. Bacopa may cause digestive discomfort in some people, so it's best to start with a small dose. Ashwagandha may lower blood pressure, so avoid it if you're on medication for low blood pressure or thyroid disorders. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult a doctor before use. And if you have autoimmune conditions, talk to a healthcare provider before taking ashwagandha. Bacopa and ashwagandha are two of the most powerful herbs for mind and body wellness. If you're looking to boost memory, reduce stress, and improve your overall quality of life, these natural remedies are worth trying. Have you tried Bacopa or ashwagandha? Let us know in the comments if you've used these herbs before and what your experience was. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Want to learn more about Ayurvedic herbs and natural remedies? Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos.